Gingers, we were going outside after the rain. Okay, so we are outside in the rain. Like, I found this huge puddle down here. I was searching for something and I found this big puddle. So I'm gonna be playing in this rain for the mouse. Look. But I don't get my case dirty. But look. It's so beautiful, isn't it? It's fun! Oh gosh, oh god. I wonder if that got on the camera. Okay. No! No! She's dirty! Why am I so dirty? Okay, I washed it off. Okay, there we go. It's off. Oh gosh, yay. Yay. So this is in the rain. I'm like, yes, a big puddle. So I just started throwing rocks in it, as you can see. I've been playing it for a long time. I be making it beautiful. And I just hit my head, so yay. Look how it's gonna make my hands open. It's like, I must wash it off. Oh gosh. So yes, I found a big puddle. It's a big puddle. And then I also found the M&E of that water puddle. It's like, here. I found the M&E of the puddle. Land is M&E of puddles. Yes. Now, isn't that wonderful, guys? I mean, like, yes. I'm like, yay! Get off my paw. And then I found this thing. It's beautiful. Found a lot of things out here. Wonderful. It's just so beautiful. Okay, so yeah, that's what I found. And let's get up. We must have beautiful cats. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Love you, my gingers. See you in my next episode. Bye, gingers.